A moment in Bali. Nasser and I woke up at 5 a.m. to catch sunrise. It took 2 hitchhikes and a mild break-in, but we made it. We had the whole place to ourselves. Along the way, we met an old man and his cute cat. He was just so happy. Music and tea. What a morning. This is Tegallalang. I wish I could do this for the rest of my life. Like, what a beautiful world we live in. There's still so much more to see. Money? I'll figure it out someday. Until then, I'll catch you in the next moment.